I just cut that there because I want to put in there important. It's voluntary. You're not saying to people, if you if you don't join my Patreon, I'm not going to let you watch any of my videos. You're saying to your YouTube community, it would be great if I could get a little bit more support. You know, YouTube doesn't pay. You don't even have to make excuses. Those three examples I've just shown you don't say, I'm not making any money, can you please help me? They just say, if you want to be a patron, here's a link. Here's a link to help. You're going to get early access tickets. You're going to get early access videos. You're going to get unlisted videos. You're going to get extra rewards for supporting my Patreon. They're not begging for your money. They're just saying, here's a place you can support me to continue. And then people can come to these pages and make a decision. That's not set in stone. It's not a 2-year contract. It's not taking your money forever. It's $5 a month. Cancel any time. But here's what you're going to get: access to private. You'll be getting ad-free versions. Access to the discounts for the merchandise store. Early possible access to our deep dives. Early possible access to the conversations in podcasts. Early information. Not begging for people's money, not desperate for some money, but offering great value for some money in return. An extra revenue stream to your YouTube channels or your creativity wherever you are, right?